Make $1,000 per day with these 3 part-time gigs. Hi, welcome to RCe Finance Guide, where we will be talking about topics of handling finances and making money. We will upload videos to the channel for your watching pleasure 4 to 5 times per week. If you have any feedback or comments about the topics you would like to see, make sure to comment them down below. Also, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be updated on all latest videos. If you have any further questions, you can comment on them while I worked. Today, we are going to talk about 3 best side hustles that can help you make up to $1,000 per day. Most of these can be done from the comfort of your home. Without further ado, here we go. First, side gig. Did you know that some people are making a fortune by selling art online? And no, you do not have to be a master painter like Da Vinci or Picasso to do this. It's as simple as downloading high-quality photos online and selling prints of these photos on sites like Etsy. Here are some sample artworks being sold on Etsy for hundreds or even thousands of dollars. And I know some of you might be thinking about copyright or intellectual property issues. The good news is, we have the privilege of accessing public domains. There are photos and artworks that are not covered by intellectual property rights due to expiry, forfeiture, or were never applied. The public domain allows anyone to access and use them with no threat of legal repercussions. Basically, for this side hustle to take off, all you need to do is to use public domain websites like RowPixels, Unsplash, or freeimages.com. Select the fine art category and use the search bar to type any theme, topic, or subject you want to use. Even a photo of the famous Mona Lisa is part of a public domain. You can use it to create canvas prints, t-shirts, or anything you want to sell. There are plenty of categories and art styles to choose from. Not into fine art? You can do motivational canvases or posters. You can also get them online or create your own using apps like Canva. These also sell very well in Etsy. Some of these motivational posters and prints sell for hundreds of dollars. You can check Etsy for proof. There are hundreds of stores with thousands of sales mainly selling these kinds of products. Here's one example of a motivational print being sold for $205. Currently, they've made over 300 sales. This means that for this one product alone, this Etsy store has made over $60,000 already. You are basically making money with virtual, no capital at all. But it gets even better. If you link your Etsy store to print-on-demand services, it will be even simpler. These services will be the ones to print, wrap, and ship the product when someone purchases them in your store. This way, you won't have to worry about inventory lists, shipping details, and dealing with customers. These are just the general details for now, but tell us in the comments section if you want to know more. We'd love to hear your take on this awesome side hustle. Second side gig. For the second side hustle, we're going to tap into your retail loving side. How many times do you scroll through and shop for random things on Amazon? Did you know that you can earn money while on Amazon too? Yes, you heard it right. And it can happen by simply posting product reviews in video format. Basically, just show the product you bought and talk about your experience of using it. Simple as that. If you are shy, you don't even need to show your face. The video could just be the product itself, with you speaking about the pros and cons of the product. Every time someone watches the video and decides to buy the product, you get a commission. No need to build up followers or likes or subscribers in social media platforms. Just post honest reviews on Amazon to help fellow customers figure out which items is best for them and earn money while doing it. Let's take a look at this, for example. On Amazon, let's select best sellers, then choose a category like electronics. Let's look at the Apple AirPods Pro. As you can see, it has thousands of ratings. But if you research it, the average review rate on Amazon is only 1 to 2%. This means that there are almost 1 million sales for this item. Yet, the reviews are only by thousands. What's more is that less than 5 of those reviews are in the video format. There is very little competition for making video reviews. This is the perfect chance for someone to post a video review to help people decide whether to buy it or not. The viewer decides to buy the product, you get a commission. It's that easy. Different products have different commission rates. For these headphones, it is said that the commission rate is as much as 6%. So if one item is sold at $239, 6% of that is $14.34. That amount goes straight up to your pocket as commission. If your review video was viewed prior to purchasing the product, imagine if you got 800,000 views on your video, and 1% of those who have seen your video decided to purchase it. So that is 8,000 sales. And if for each sale you get $14.34, you will get around $114,720. That is for one review. These numbers are not exact, but these estimates allow you to visualize how much you can potentially earn. I know some of you might be thinking, I do not have $239 to buy these items and make reviews. Well, there are plenty of people out there who just buy the items, make a review, then return them to get a refund. A bit of a sneaky tactic, but it works. I know that the details I have provided are not as in-depth, but if you are interested in knowing more about this side hustle, don't forget to tell us in the comments section below. Third side gig. For the last side hustle, you don't need to sit around in front of a computer all day. In fact, if you are the type of person who loves to be up and about, this might be the perfect side hustle for you. Some make thousands of dollars doing this. This side hustle is basically delivering medical supplies. And no, you don't need a commercial driver's license or CDL for this. You don't need a big truck or a giant van. You can use your personal vehicle for this. They will have some vehicle requirements and specifications, and you must have full coverage insurance. But essentially, if qualified, you can use your own car or vehicle and earn some decent cash. The main task will be making deliveries to places like Walgreens, pharmacies, or doctors' clinics. There are companies that offer up to $10,000 contracts for these deliveries. Or, if you prefer to work hourly, the rate can be as good as $50 per hour. To find gigs like this, you can check out websites like cvddriver.com, Bungie Driver, and another one called Dispatch. There are many more apps and sites that I can share with you that hire people to do deliveries. Just hit us up in the comments for a more detailed video for this. One more thing, you do not just have to deliver medical supplies, you can also look up retail deliveries if you prefer that. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notifications to keep you posted on more informative videos like this.